Okay, as for request from my guildies, I am going to make a video on how to get your Liana's tool bag. So the first thing you will want to do, open up your Black Spirit, click Quest, go to Suggested, go to Tool Bag, begin the quest, and then you'll go to any major city, find Liana here. This is in Heidel, but she's in any major city. And the quest, you have to be at least level 49 or higher to be able to do it. The main quest, sorry. Okay, so the first answer is strawberry. The second answer is Igor. The third answer is salt. The fourth answer is common minnow. The fifth answer is rock stoneback crab. Okay, so now we're gonna click part 2. So the first one is Starin Island. Second one is Art. The third one is Ash Sap. The fourth one is Demi River. And the last one is Ludwig. And you're done.